Oh, it kind of looks. Okay, that's better. This is like don't touch. This is like don't touch my case, don't touch my laptop. Do you got the password? And I got everything matching, so black on black, Black Lives Matter, black on. And did I mention this is a black owned company? Anyway, and like, hello, you sent me an email. Let me get my laptop. Hold on. What was the order number again? Hola YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I provide them with beauty, fashion, and style tips. So if that's something you're interested in, girl, hit that box is red, hit that subscribe button, and then next to it's like a little bell. Make sure you click that too. Okay, so today is going to be a different type of video. It's still fashion related because I need everything to be classy with me, and my electronics have to do that as well. So I was stalked on Instagram, Facebook, all of the streets about Chic Geeks, and I was like, I need to get a case. So that's what I'm going to be reviewing. This is the box that it came in, like this. So we're going to open it up. Y'all, I'm like a YouTuber, okay? You know how the YouTubers, they already like have them pre-opened? I did that. I hope I did it correctly. Hold on, girl. Hold on. The first thing that I got was this. Are y'all seeing this? Girl, y'all, this is a Luxe iPhone case. Y'all, I have the iPhone XR, and my Five Below case wasn't giving nothing, and I was like, pedal, like, I need to do it. I love this packaging. First of all, let's get into the packaging. Y'all see this? This is a metallic embossed. The case itself is embossed, and then on the side they have this thing you put in and you slide it out. Girl, I can't do nothing with these nails, honey. Okay, there you go, there you go. So this is what the case looks like. It's like this alligator crocodile type of print. I love it. Like, you can actually like feel it. Y'all see it? Ooh, ooh, girl, ooh, girl. And then the inside, it's like this velveteen type of material. Y'all can see that. I am super excited. I'm super excited. So I'm about to put this on. When I'm like switching cases or doing anything of that nature, I clean all of my electronics with this Swiffer multi-surface. This goes a long way, y'all. I had this for like maybe 3 years now. So yeah, look at my dusty case. This, okay, I got hair dye on it. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. So when I use the Swiffer spray, I don't spray my electronics directly. I spray a paper towel. This is a clean joint, okay? Hit it like that. And then I take my electronic and I just wipe her down. Wipe it down. Get your speaker area. Get the front and the back. With COVID going on, like, wipe y'all stuff down. And we always have our phones like on us and our hands on our face. Wipe your stuff down. Appreciate you. Clean off the camera surfaces. All this stuff is made and it smells good, y'all. This one has Febreze, so it smells so good. And all I'm gonna do is slide my phone in the case. Let me test it. Hello. You call me. What? Can you go somewhere? Cause your service is cutting out. Like, y'all, this is girl, look at it with my rings too. This is so chic, and I absolutely love that it has, like, what is it called, detail in it, because you can actually feel the scales, y'all. Embossed, bossed up, all of it. I really like that. So this is the case. Again, I have the iPhone XR, and I got the black crocodile case. I'll put all the links down example in the description box. Yeah, I absolutely love their packaging though. Just like, look. Even on the back, they have dress your tech, and that's gold right there. Yeah, this is so bomb. Bombity. Bomb, bomb. Bombity. First, can I just do this here? Sit correctly, ring, sit correctly. Okay, so this is actually what comes in the package. It has this pretty sticker on the back of it. Inside, girl, wow. Y'all, I'm absolutely loving this metallic embossing on all their cards. So this is the company Chic Geeks. So on the back it says let's be friends, has their Instagram information, and you got to shout them out. Chic Geeks, chic.geeks, and then hashtag Chic Geeks. Okay, they got an instruction. Even the instructions is glossy and embossed. It says firmly press each side of the hard shell until you hear a gentle snap. Firmly remove all of that. What are they? This is the instruction cards like this. Super cute. They have a oh wow, the thank you card is like a suede. I love all the detail. I love all the detail. And then it says, dear Chic Geeks, thank you for your order. We hope you love it as much as we do. Every item is designed with you in mind, and we're truly grateful for your support. To show our appreciation, take 10% off your next order using coupon code LOVECHICGeeks. Y'all see that? Love Chic Geeks. So y'all can use that. This video is not sponsored. I literally just wanted to buy this, and I love this. So this is their customer support card like this. So what had happened was I bought the brown crocodile. It was the cognac, and I didn't like the cognac color, so I actually filled out this card. I emailed them. I think they sent it back to me in five business days, and I got the new set. So customer service is on point. Okay, all of the above. And then also they have a size card for you to figure out what thing you have, what model iPad or Mac you have. And I believe they only have for Mac products, if I'm not mistaken. And also they have this nice little card that you can screenshot this. You can screenshot this, so it takes you right to their Instagram. Yeah, so good, so cute. So let's get into my laptop case. Oh, I'm blowing myself out. This is my laptop case. My laptop case. Again, I got everything matching, so black on black. Black Lives Matter, black on. And did I mention this is a black owned company? Anyway, is he ready? So this is what it looks like, y'all. Ooh my god. Y'all. She purring at me, honey. She is oh my god. Do y'all see this? It's like a matte black. Oh my god. This is like don't touch. This is like don't touch my case, don't touch my laptop. Do you got the password? Do you got the fingerprint? This is what this is giving. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm about to take off my old case. I got this old case from Amazon. Girl, first of all, do you see how I took that off? I don't think that's how it goes. I have the MacBook Air, the new one. Girl, I don't know. I don't know the I just know it's I have the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air rose gold with the touch thing. So I'm about to do the same thing. Spray my paper towel and I'm wiping off my laptop. I'm being super gentle with this, but please don't spray your electronics, because like that's how people be messing up stuff. Like I sprayed the paper towel, but I didn't spray my electronics because That's how that liquid will mess you up. So let's see. Can y'all see? Okay. Okay. This is like a balancing act. So on here, on the top, they have like these 3 tongs. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. So you see these 3 like divots? Okay, so that's what I'm about to click on. 9. Oh, sliding it on, it's so firm. Oh my God. So, and I'm closing it. Oh, y'all can see what I'm doing. Oh, did y'all hear that snap? Did y'all hear that snap? It means it's working. It means it's working. Also, they put like a little styrofoam thing in the middle to separate it, which is really good. The back is just this back ventilated one. The MacBook used to have like the ventilators because the fan used to cool off the laptop, but they don't got them no more. Shit. Okay, on this side they have them on the side, so y'all heard that? Right by the speakers, I'm just snapping it in, y'all. Girl, look. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this or no? Do y'all see this? Y'all back. Okay, so y'all, isn't this girl Pop-Teen? Where's my phone? This is it right here. What? Bring me my MacBook and my phone, and it's gonna be just like this. Y'all, this is so sexy. It's so chic. I love that everything is matching. I love how it fits on my laptop. Like, I really feel secure about it. It's not flimsy. Them snaps ensure, honey, that it's popping. Okay? And like, hello, you sent me an email. Let me get my laptop. Hold on. What was the order number again? Okay. Y'all see that? Like, literally, I loved it. I love it. I love it. So I just wanted to come on here and show you all. And also, just like when you buy expensive electronics and stuff like that, invest in cases, because, you know, we always like dropping our screens, cracking our screens in like two weeks or something. Your laptop is messed up because you never had a case on it, or it suddenly drops, or it gets in your purse and something wastes on it. So literally invest in stylish sort of thing. I know I'm going to keep this for a while because of the sturdiness and also how it complements and fits on my devices. Trickwear, y'all, girl. I really like it. I really like it. So I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever ordered from Chic Geeks? And if you have, what did you order? And also, like, are you following the girl on the Instagrams? Make sure you hit that description box and a link to my Instagram there, XO Chloe Elise. And I will see y'all in the next video. And let me know if you like different stuff like this. I like incorporating my lifestyle as well on these. So if you were in my vlog, you probably seen when it came and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you're watching the vlogs. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, baby.
I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.